Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, and distinguished guests, today we gather to explore the profound importance and significance of artificial intelligence learning in our modern landscape. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, it is essential to recognize how AI learning not only enhances efficiency and innovation across various sectors, but also reshapes our understanding of a complex problem. The ability of the AI systems to analyze vast datasets, draw insights, and adapt through machine learning algorithms, which empowers industries from healthcare and finance to education and transportation to make informed decisions that were previously unimaginable. This transformative technology not only streamlines operations but also enables us to achieve a level of personalized service and predictive analytics that significantly enhances our capability to meet the needs of our society. Moreover, the significance of artificial intelligence learning extends beyond immediate applications. It fundamentally alters the way we think about knowledge, creativity, and human-machine collaboration. As we integrate AI into our daily lives, we are presented with unprecedented opportunities to augment human potential. By embracing AI learning, we not only enhance our operational efficiencies but also foster an environment where innovation and creativity can flourish. It is imperative that we strive for responsible and ethical implementation of these technologies, ensuring they serve greater good and enhance our human experience, rather than distract from it. In conclusion, the future of AI learning holds remarkable promise, and it is our collective responsibility to harness this potential to drive meaningful change in our world. Thank you very much.